I'm really looking forward to teaching with the new edition of Pocket. There it is. One of the things that I love that we did in the new edition of Pocket is we have what we call at a glance feature. And students always like the boxes in Pocket. One student once called it hubs of information because we take information and put it in these small boxes for students. And the at a glance feature is really an attempt to give students to say, here's some information. How do you punctuate a quotation, for instance? So what we try to do is take a lot of information that we know these are the places where students are asking questions and they want it quickly. They want to be able to get into the handbook and find this information quickly. And that's what the at a glance feature really does. I think students will really appreciate so much about the new edition of Pocket because we give students the answers to the questions they have about doing research writing. For instance, if you're working in MLA, if you're working in APA, how do you ask a research question? How do you enter into a research conversation? How do you then find sources? How do you integrate those sources? How do you cite those sources? These are the important issues that students have to think about, especially when they're writing their first research paper, because it's all new to them. Students really appreciate having a Pocket-style manual because they can find the information they need, they understand what they find, and they're so grateful. What students say to me is they appreciate having a handbook. They appreciate it because essentially a handbook says to students, I'm taking writing seriously, and I know you are too. And so students appreciate having this resource to anchor their writing in college.